Hi guys, this is Mike with Imminent Precision Painting. Today we're going to be doing a review on a paint cleaner and conditioner. I gotta say I was pretty impressed with this product. To see the results, stay tuned.
Are you still looking at me? Why you still
Hey guys, got this courtesy of Pretty Boy Paint Cleaners. It's a paint cleaner and conditioner. We're going to try it out on a couple different surfaces. It's meant to clean paintbrushes right after use. In this case, we're going to really test it out. It's eco-friendly. We're going to test it on a couple different surfaces, my hands, and I got some really bad brushes over here I want to clean out and see if this guy makes a difference relative to water alone. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, we got two rock hard brushes here. They've been sitting the same time. It's the same kind of paint. You can hear that. I'm going to use water on one and the Pretty Boy Plus water on the other. Thought about using soap, but anywho, this is how you apply the Pretty Boy. I don't know if you guys can see it. Supposed to use like a couple teaspoons. And I've found that put a little water on it, let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, and a little water on the other one to kind of get it loosened up. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes and then we'll come back and see if that Pretty Boy can take that paint off. Hey guys, so let it sit 3 to 5 minutes. We're back. This is the one with just water. I know it's going to be a pain in the butt to clean up, but I'm going to try it anyways. A little warm water. And it's coming out. You can fast forward if you want. Alright, yeah, so the water alone's getting it out. But I want to go ahead and test this stuff to see if it actually has the properties that it says it has, which is to break down paint. So here we go with that. Yeah, much smoother. And apparently the thing is, and it is coming off smoother, you guys, but apparently the thing is also that it's a conditioner, a paint conditioner, or a brush conditioner. So if you want your brushes to last longer, this is what you're supposed to use. So, and you can see that stuff foaming up, so I feel like it's definitely doing better than water. And if you notice, I haven't even, let's go back to the water one real quick, clean that guy out. Well, now we've got Pretty Boy in the wire brush. But yeah, the point is it definitely works better than water. Definitely works better than water. This is an old dusting brush, but yeah, I would say that it does break down the paint. You can see the paint there in the bristles. So it's breaking it down pretty nice, and it's supposed to leave your brushes nice. And keep in mind, guys, this thing's been sitting 3 or 4 days, so we're ready. So yeah, it definitely works for breaking down the paint in old paint brushes. I'd assume if you use it as soon as you got through using your paintbrush, it'd be even easier. So definitely makes a difference. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so I'm gonna see how good this stuff gets paint off your hands. At the end of the day, if you paint every day, I know it's a little overkill. If you're wasting this much paint on my job site, you're off. No. At the end of the day, you are gonna get paint on your hands. If you do this every day, it really takes a toll on your hands, scrubbing your hands with something like this every day to try to get latex paint off. Comes off a lot easier than oil-based paint, of course, but nonetheless, it really sucks scrubbing your hands with that thing every day. So I'm going to try it out just as a general all-purpose hand cleaner for paint, latex paint. So here we go. I'm going to try one hand. And this is Resilience I'm using. It's good paint. But that's just with water. You see that? I'm pushing really hard there. And this is with water alone. Yeah, that sucks. And now I'm gonna try with this stuff. And it's supposed to work, so hopefully it's eco-friendly. And put some water on it. See how it works. Yeah, it's coming off easier, that's for sure. Yeah, it's breaking it off. Yeah, and see that one's still. Try to put some of this on that one too. See if that helps. Alright, all cleaned up, guys. I will say that something about this, when you, the Pretty Boy not alone is not as effective as this plus water. It's like the water is almost some sort of catalyst. So I feel like when I put this on, then add water and scrub, it actually works like it's supposed to. But just alone, it doesn't seem like it works. So I'm gonna say that the water is some sort of catalyst to whatever proprietary blend they have in here. So yeah, overall pretty impressed as far as the hand cleaner goes. So if I didn't buy this for anything, I'd buy it for anything else. I'd buy it just to wash my hands after work. So alrighty, guys. First of all, I want to thank Pretty Boy Cleaners for sending me this, trying it out. My thoughts are, does seem to have whatever they have in here that's eco-friendly, does seem to break down paint a little easier than water alone, and or probably water and soap. Didn't really test it, but yeah, that being said, I would definitely use this, if, like I said, if not for anything, just to wash my hands, because it definitely works on washing your hands. When you add water to it, it really gets the paint right off. These people don't pay me a dime. They just sent me this. I thought I'd do a video on it, let you guys know. Maybe you could save your hands, because when you paint outside all day, you do get paint on you regardless of how good you are, and it really sucks to scrub your hands 2-3 times a day with a brush. So that being said, I would recommend probably using this. It's probably worth it. It only takes a little bit to wash your hands. So yeah, that's my review on Pretty Boy paint cleaner and conditioner. And on top of it, to boot, you can condition your brushes, you know, like women do their hair. So there you go, Pretty Boy. So don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. We got some more videos coming up really soon. The spring is going to be really awesome, you guys. We're going to be super busy. Yeah, so stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, like us on all the social, and we'll see you in the next one.
Are you still looking at me? Why you